CLSK stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is CleanSpark stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. I'm here to tell you that with CLSK, the one thing that I'll care the most about is just how can I double position myself for more longs. Well, beforehand here I got 2 break-evens, right? And that's what the outcome was there, me trying to long, but you can see the price never sort of came down, never sort of came up and delivered. Well, that's why I got those 2 break-evens, especially now with this bigger correction. I actually quite like it. You know, this is a whole bullish market as long as we're sitting above $8.43. So the only right, I mean, there's not right or wrong, this is all subjective, but for me the only right way to be bullish is if I start seeing breaks above 11.67, right? If I do not see that happening and it just kind of consolidates here, then whatever, you know, so be it. That's how CLSK is looking like for me. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.